What is a power of attorney? I get that question a lot here at the law firm. Many people know what it is, but many people don't understand what its limits are and what it can or can't do. Basically, with the power of attorney, a general power of attorney, you're authorizing someone else to act on your behalf. What this means is if for some reason you can't pay a bill or you need to sign papers on a closing of a loan and you can't do it, you could legally authorize someone to do that. Or you could do what we call a durable power of attorney, where you can authorize someone to handle all of your affairs even if you become incompetent. The person that you're authorizing to handle your affairs is typically called an attorney in fact, and the person who's giving that authority is usually called the principal. Now keep in mind, the principal and the attorney in fact, the attorney in fact has a fiduciary relationship with the principal. And what that means is that attorney in fact, the person that you gave the power to act on your behalf, has to act in your best interests. So that's why it's very important to select someone that you trust to handle your affairs. It's very important because unlike a conservatorship that's supervised by the court, a power of attorney is not supervised at all, and there's no review, at least up front. So keep in mind, make sure you appoint someone in that capacity to act on your behalf that you trust. Now, also keep in mind that the power of attorney can be very specific and limited, meaning just for one particular thing or one particular transaction, or it can be expansive and you could have a whole list of things that the attorney in fact is going to do for you. And it can survive your incompetency or incapacity if you so choose. There's also a misunderstanding about power of attorneys with regard to death. I had a client come in one time, and I believe their father had just passed away, and they were like, Sean, my dad just passed away. I'm ready to handle his affairs. I have this valid general power of attorney. And I had to explain to the client, hey, look, yeah, the power of attorney was valid, but upon death, the power of attorney becomes null and void, and it has basically no power whatsoever. So keep that in mind as well. Hi, I'm Sean Smith, and next time we're going to talk a little bit about a medical power of attorney and the living will.